Hi guys, welcome to Mallory Performance. We thought we'd film a quick video for you guys today on the BMW F80 M3. We're about to fit some Eibach Lowering Springs to it. 20mm front and 5 to 10mm rear. Now it has got aftermarket wheels on already. I'll do a quick clip of the car before the lowering springs fitted. We'll have a quick montage and then we'll have a video after the lowering springs are fitted. So we'll check back with you after the springs are fitted. Now let's go. So on cue, it started raining here, but hopefully after fitting the Eibach lowering springs today, we can eliminate a bit of this arch cap on the front. Let's get to it, let's get fitting them, and then we'll see the results after it's been fitted. So the M3 is finally finished with the Eibach lowering springs on. So it was meant to have 20 to 25mm lowered on the front and 5 to 10mm on the rear. After measuring it, just after coming off the ramp, it's lowered it 18mm on the front and 5mm on the rear, but after about a week of driving, you'd expect it to reach the 20 to 25mm and the 5 to 10 on the rear. So here's a few after shots. Thanks for watching the video guys. Make sure you click subscribe, and also if you are interested in buying any Eibach lowering springs for your vehicle, the guys can supply and fit them at mallory-performance.com, so make sure you check them out. Thanks.